Hey y'all, welcome back to the Barkside of the road. I'm stuck inside today because the wind out here is trying to peel the paint off the side of the RV. I filmed all this about 3 weeks ago when the weather wasn't trying to kill me. So let's get into my top 5 RV gadgets under $1,000 that actually makes life a lot easier. All right. Let's start with number 1, the Anchor Solex C1000. This thing is my emotional support power station. Clean, quiet, reliable, and it keeps everything running. My camera, phone, my drone batteries, basically everything that keeps this RV circus from falling apart. It's the reason I can actually work outside without worrying the RV pedestal is going to try to assassinate my electronics. If you do any off-grid or just want power that won't make your neighbors hate you, this is the one. Number 2, next up is the Power Watchdog. This thing protects your entire RV from sketchy campground power. And trust me, I've plugged into some pedestals that look like they were built during the Civil War. Little dude tells you or is safe, clean, stable, or it even touches your rig. If your RV is your home, this is your alarm system. Number 3. The LevelMate Pro. Leveling your RV without this thing feels like trying to build a Jenga tower in the middle of a hurricane. The LevelMate Pro tells you exactly how far off you are and which direction to fix. No guessing, no arguing, no climbing in and out of the RV 15 times like a confused meerkat. This one pays for itself and frustration saved. Next up, the heated hose. It keeps your water from freezing, and so you're not stuck taking marine showers or melting snow like you're auditioning for Naked and Afraid, RV Edition. Winter is already dramatic enough. No need to add frozen pipes to the list. And number 5 is a soft start. This lets your AC run without tripping the pedestal every 5 minutes like it's had too many energy drinks. It smooths the startup surge so you can run your AC even when the campground power is being a little dramatic. If you've ever tried running your AC on a weak hookup, you'll already know why this is on the list. So those are my top 5 RV gadgets under $1,000 that actually make life easier out here. If you've got a favorite gadget you swear by, drop it in the comments below. I love seeing what everybody else is using. Grab your socks and your Crocs, and I'll see you on the Barkside.